Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's February 17th, 2011. The grain markets this morning looks like we're going to be higher across the board. We got macro buying again across all commodities here. Cotton market especially is the biggest standout here this morning. We're at $7 higher in the old crop cotton overnight. New crop cotton up about $3.51. And we've pushed cotton now above $200 a pound, so sharp move there. Dollar quiet, however. Dollar's down about 4 ticks as we speak. Crude's unchanged. Gold is up about $7 to $8. The export sales numbers came out this morning. Corn, the trade was looking for 700 to 1.4 million tons, came in at 1.168. Soybeans, some exciting numbers there if we can count on these numbers as being right. Trade estimates for old crop beans were 0 to 300, came in at 514 old crop sales. New crop sales, trade was looking for anywhere from 2 to 800, and we had a cancellation there of 118,000, or a negative number there, a net of 400 when it's all said and done, but should be supportive to old crop soybeans and maybe the spreads between old crop and new crop. There'll be some adjustment there on the soybean sector here this morning. Wheat 300 to 750 was the trade estimate, came in at 726 on the high end. Could be a little bit supportive there. As far as other news go, we're not seeing a lot that is all that market moving, I guess you might say. That we are seeing some interest for corn. Japan looking for 1.2 million tons for second half of its year here, from June on. So starting to get some interest there. We also have option expiration on Friday, tomorrow, for the March options. So they will a lot of times attract to a certain level. We will have to monitor that very closely. Soybeans, a lot of people think that the $14 area is where we might go there. So other than that, not a lot going on. The weather in South America looks to be in pretty good shape, looks to be helping out the crop size. The reports coming from analysts and traders in South America, both Brazil and Argentina, are actually increasing their crop size for soybeans in both countries. So looks like we could, and the potential there is for demand to move to that region rather than U.S. as we appear to be having some tight stocks here, especially with the sales numbers that we've seen. Although any of you that were in our meetings the last few days, we showed you a graph of where we need to be from the export standpoint. We need to increase our export sales and export shipments in order to meet that USDA demand that they've got projected for this marketing year. The wheat sector, demand is good there again. Unrest still continues in North Africa. Food is a topic that is being discussed more and more by leaders of these countries because food prices have increased so sharply in those countries, and that makes and could have an impact on prices here in the U.S. In the livestock, cattle trade looks to be higher here in the futures overnight. Cutout values were up slightly, and the demand for beef continues to grow and support prices. We're looking at the potential here that cash cattle need to trade this week to catch up and clean up inventories, but the suggestion there is that there's plenty of cattle around to meet demand right now, so kind of a conflict in the battle. Futures are stronger. Cash markets may tell the tale here and give us a further direction of where this futures market can go if the cash would trade at steady money or even a little weaker here just because of supply. So something to be monitoring. And the standoff that's going on in the country right now. If will the feedlots get higher money for these cattle? Something to watch very closely. Hogs, we've got cash hogs pretty much steady here overnight, a little firmer. Some technical selling there, but I think with the overall buying and macro buying that we're seeing in all commodities, hog market's going to be well supported on any kind of a setback here. So keep in touch with Allendale. We're happy to keep you informed. We wish you a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.